Assalamu alaikum students. Today we will cover unit Glory and Hope by Nelson Mandela. Introduction of Nelson Mandela. Mandela was born on July 18th, 1918. He was awarded with Nobel Prize for Peace in 1993. In 1994, Mandela was selected as first black president of South Africa. He was died on December 5th, 2013. Nelson Mandela delivered this speech after having been elected president in South Africa's first multi-racial elections in 1994. Knowing that the injustices of apartheid would not easily be erased, Mandela asked the people to work together for peace and justice. Purpose of the speech, Glory and Hope, is that it is to inform others about what is to come of South Africa now that he is president and South African struggles. Nelson's purpose is to persuade others to fight for equal rights. He wants to unite all people. His purpose is to strike the hearts of people with hope. Hope and rebirth for a nation is the theme of Nelson Mandela's speech, Glory and Hope. Nelson Mandela is speaking about political emancipation, which they have achieved after a long struggle against apartheid system. He is speaking about the liberation movement of black people of South Africa when he became successful in dismantling the country's apartheid system. Nelson Mandela mentions extraordinary human at the beginning of his speech, referring to the inhuman practice of apartheid. At the end of his speech, the glorious human achievement that he spoke of refers to the establishment of the first democratic and non-racial government in South Africa. He is hopeful that people will earn glory and honor regardless of race, and that everyone will be equal and will be treated with dignity and respect. Nelson Mandela is considered by many to be the father of South Africa. Mandela was an anti-apartheid activist, which means that fought for those who were disadvantaged by the system of racial segregation. Mandela became a civil rights leader, leading many against the apartheid government. Mandela shaped a better world through his own initiative. Mandela formed and joined many organizations and alliances during his lifetime and continues to be a symbol of the power that one individual has to make a difference. Thank you.